So welcome back to my subscriber. If you are new to this my channel, I just want to tell you that you should, if you and you find this my video helpful, I want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So this week we'll be analyzing our stock and see where our price will be moving for this week. Our prediction. Let us check and see where our price will be moving for this week. The first one that I have here is our Apple, and I'm on analyzing the weekly. I'm on the weekly time frame. As you can see, our weekly is actually bearish. On our daily too is actually bearish. So basically should be seeing some rejection around this key area. You see, we are seeing rejection here, which means our price has pushed up. Rejection here, our price has pushed up. So basically we will also be seeing that our price will actually be pushing up from this our key area here. But before that, we would want our price to actually come down a little bit to touch this my area that I marked, this my area that I've lined here, which is probably our 152, before you can actually take that bull signal there. As you can see that it is about to push up, so we will confirm that push up by seeing multiple break of structure uptrend on our 1 hour time frame. If you can see that possible break of structure upward on our 1 hour time frame, we should actually be taking our buy position to my area that I've just talked about, which is about 166 or 167 on our Apple. The other one that I have here is our Meta Facebook. As you can see, it is actually bearish. I just don't know why I can't really see the full movement. Maybe it's something because of network, I don't know. But actually, our Facebook should actually still be bearish for this week, as it is going down rapidly on our weekly time frame, on our daily time frame, on also our 4 hour time frame. It's actually bearish, so we should also be seeing some sell this week on our Facebook time frame. On our Microsoft, we should on our this our week we should actually be looking for a buy position. As you can see, our price has rejected to this area. It has rejected here and pushed up. It has rejected here multiple times, so we should actually be taking our push up to this our area, or this area. So we should be taking our push up to this our 297 or to our area of 306. This is exactly what we should be aiming for on our weekly Microsoft. On our Amazon, we should same thing. We should also be looking for a bullish movement up here. So before that, like I said, before you actually take your buy position, after I'm telling you, you should wait for multiple break of structure upward, maybe 2 or 3 break of structure that is going up, that is trending up on our 1 hour time frame before you actually take that your buy position. If not, I'll rather tell you to wait, then you actually take your buy position. Patience is the key. So basically, you can see that our price has come here, so it is actually pushing up. So if you want to take your position, buy position to this area, I'll advise you take it to your 3089 position, or you can also take it to your 3233. But I'll advise you actually take it to your 3089 position on our, you should be taking our buy on our Amazon for this week. This is exactly what we'll be aiming for. Push up on our Alphabet, which is our Google. We should actually see some come down, push down to this our key area here before you actually see the bull, before you actually can take our buy position. As you can see on our weekly time frame, as our price will actually react here multiple times, then before actually see the push down. So we should see a little bit of push down before you actually take our buy position. But before you take your buy position, I'll advise you take your buy position to this 2715 and wait for a multiple break of structure uptrend before you actually take your buy position. On our Tesla, I think our Tesla will still be going down. Let's mark our key area here. On our Tesla, on our daily time frame, this is exactly, I think our Tesla will actually be pushing down to this area here before you can actually see that bull push up here and possibly break of structure. Price can actually break below this area here and actually push down, go further to this our key area here that I've just marked. So we should actually be watching for it. Sorry. So you should actually be watching for this area here, whereby our price probably will be pushing to this area. If possibly it does not hit this week, it should be able to hit by next week. So we should it is still actually sell signal. So we actually want to be going bearish on this our Tesla to this our key area, which is 708, before you can actually think of buying, taking it up. And if you still want to go bearish, then I'll advise you go to 5 on 6 8. Our JP Morgan Chase, as you can see, it is still actually bearish, so we will also want to be going bearish. Possibly this week will also be bearish to this our key area here. So we should be seeing our bearish move to this our area between this week, next week, and next 2 week. We should be seeing our sell position, but before that we should also see our sell position here, whereby our price will come here. We should be able to take our sell position here before you can actually see a pushback up here, before you can actually see the continuing the bearish movement. So on our JP Morgan Chase, we should also actually be seeing a bearish move this week. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share.